Hello, my beautiful magical beings. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your general love reading for Feb 2021. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. And also, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, as this is your general love reading, so this is not going to resonate with each of you. A very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthdays on Feb 2021. You can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. So let's start your reading. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my beautiful magical beings Aquarius all over the world for Feb 2021. What are the messages? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Page of Cup. King of Swords. World card. Two of Cups. Okay. There is someone around you, Aquarius, who is coming towards you with an apology, judgment. Lot of divine energy is here. See, let me see all cards first, then I'll let you know. What are the messages? Yeah, my intuition was saying to take these cards, but I did not take it. Now again it has come for Nine of Pentacles. Lovers and the Fool card. Major arcanas, lot of divine energy is here. So someone is coming towards you, Aquarius. See, Sun. New happy beginnings are coming towards you. Okay, there is someone around you who is coming towards you with a message of saying sorry, Aquarius. One minute. Okay. Okay, so bottom of the deck I'm having King of Cups, King of Wands, and the Strength card. So someone is gaining strength to approach you, Aquarius. Okay, someone is trying to, gaining confidence. There is someone around you who is trying to give you an apology, a sorry. A sorry is coming towards you. Okay, because here can you see there is a fish in the cup. So there will be a message for you, Aquarius, from someone. Okay, here I'm having King of Swords. This is someone who knows the truth. Okay, this is someone who knows the truth. They know that they have done wrong to you, and they're coming towards you with an apology saying sorry, Aquarius, I did this and all. But the world card is here. Then there is two of cups and the judgment. Lot of divine energy is here. Can you see all the, and here also the lovers is here. Lot of angels and divine is here. So now there is some kind of judgment which has been made in your case. You're completing a cycle with this person, and they see you as someone who is very single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, you know that you are abundant of everything and you are enjoying your singlehood. Okay, and there is lovers and the fool here. They want you to take a leap of faith in them basically. They want to start a new beginning with you, and they want to take a leap of faith with you. Before that, they were having a lot of conflicts with you, are having a lot of conflicts with this person. 0550 was the recording reading time. There were a lot of conflicts with this person, but they find you as the wish fulfillment for them. 9 of cups is here. Then there is 9 of cups, then there is 10 of cups. Both are here. So maybe you are having a family with this person here. Okay, there is a family dynamic with this person. Okay, this is happy family, happy life, happily ever after. But there were a lot of conflicts which was there with this person. Slowly, because Knight of Pentacles, then there is 6 of Pentacles, and there is Queen of Cups. Wow, Wheel of Fortune was there? No, it was not there. Okay. Knight of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Now they have taken long period of time, because this is the slowest energy. Now they're coming with an equal amount of give and take. Maybe there was no balance in the relationship before. Okay, there was no equal amount of give and take in the relationship, but now they're coming towards you to give you equal balance, equal give and take. But before, there were a lot of conflicts with this person. Okay, in this relationship there were a lot of conflicts. Bottom of the deck, I am having King of Cups. Okay, so King of Cups and Queen of Cups is a pair, is a power couple here. And either you are committed to this person for long period of time. That's what I am getting from this message. They see you as someone who is, very happy, abundant. Yeah, they're manifesting you basically. They're manifesting you. Yeah, Hierophant is here. Either you are married to this person or you are committed to this person. And they took long period of time to come to this conclusion. They took long period of time here. 6 of Pentacle, Knight of Pentacle is here. To give you balance, to give you equal amount of give and take. But now they want to start, they want to take a leap of faith with you. They want you to believe basically. That's the message I'm getting. They want you to believe in them basically. They want you to believe in them. That's right. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for Feb 2021. See, again Hierophant has come. Please give me the messages which balance. I got the balance. There was no balance in the relationship before, but now they're coming with the balance. Okay, they're coming with the balance, and they are going to say you that I'm going to give you balance, Aquarius. What are the messages? World card again. So completing a cycle with this person. Okay, what are the messages which I need to deliver? Hermit wants to come out. So maybe you are doing your soul searching. Bottom of the deck, see, again I'm having the Fool and the Lovers again. Same, the Fool and the Lovers here again. So they want you to take a leap of faith in them. You are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. You are working on yourself basically here. Hermit is here. You are working on yourself. You are doing your soul searching. You're looking answers from within yourself. You're asking your soul that what your soul wants. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. The Star, yeah. You're using your intuitions. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition will guide you properly. You need to keep your strength and your intuitions. Okay, they will guide you properly here. The Wheel of Fortune and the Star. Okay, you're getting new hopes, new desires here. And the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You are doing your soul searching. You're looking answers from within yourself here. There is some kind of world card is here 2 times. So that means that there is a completion of a cycle which is happening with this person. Okay, you're completing some kind of karmic cycle which you need to complete. But here I'm having, I told you there was no hierophant while I was doing, I just got these energies, but I got the message that either you are married to this person or you were committed to this person for long period of time. There is a family dynamic basically with this person. Okay, you are having a family dynamic with this person. Now they're coming towards you with a, you know, that, hi Aquarius, I'm sorry I did you, you know, wrong with this person. I just get this message that, hi Aquarius, I know that I have done wrong to you, and this is a time where I want to give you balance. They know that this is their fault. Okay, they know that, they know very well. They're coming with an apology. You will receive some kind of apology. You need to trust in higher forces, Aquarius. Okay, right now you are enjoying your singlehood, you are working on yourself, you're doing your soul searching, you are doing your healing. Okay, that's very good. But some kind of judgment is making in your case, Aquarius. Some kind of judgment, the divine is making some kind of judgment for you. Let me see more. Shed old skin. Snake is here. You need to shed old skin. Okay, any other message? 3 more messages. There is Druid, hold the space. Spirit Fox, trust your talents in changing times. Yeah, that's right. There is a change which is coming for you, Aquarius. You need to trust your talents. Okay, trust on yourself. 1144 was the recording reading time, and there is here, see beyond the current situation. Whatever current situation is going on, you need to see beyond that current situations. Okay, maybe you are you are getting more snakes. You can watching snakes more. You need to shed your old skin, your old belief system. This is a time for transformation for you. You need to hold your space. Okay, stand your ground, hold your space. Do not give up. Do not give up. You need to trust your talents. Whatever change, the time is coming. Whatever time is changing for you, you need to trust in your talents. And you need to see whatever this current situation is happening right now. You need to see beyond that. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time, because you are getting ascended in a forward direction. Okay, you are moving in your ascension. So see beyond the current situations, Aquarius. Whatever situation is happening right now, you need to see the situation from a different perspective. I can say that. Yeah, that's right. It just want to come out. Spiritual growth. You're getting your spiritual growth, and it will happen because you are working on yourself. Okay, you are in a hermit mode. You are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. You're looking answers from within yourself. Take charge and action. Strength and guidance. Take a step back. Any other message for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Expect miracles. Miracles are going to happen in your life, Aquarius. Okay, wow. There is a spiritual growth which is happening for you. You are growing on a spiritual basis. Okay, there is a spiritual growth which is happening for you, Aquarius. And there is take charge and action and strength and guidance. So guidance is available for you. There is a lot of strength. I told you, you need to keep your strength. Okay, so keep your strength, keep moving in a forward direction. Trust on your talents, trust on yourself. You have to take charge of your life and actions. Okay, you have to take charge and actions for you. There is a lot of guidance and strength which is here for you, Aquarius. Then there is take a step back, scared plan, and ask and receive. So this is a plan of the divine. I told you a lot of divine energy, the angel energy is here in the main energy too. So this is the divine plan. Okay, you just need to ask and receive. You just need to ask the divine and you will receive the help, whatever help you are requiring. And take a step back is here. Okay, take a step back. I need to clarify here why there is take a step back. Let me clarify why there is take a step back. Why there is take a step back. Six of Pentacles. Why there is take a step back? Please clarify me. Why there is take a... Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Take a step back. Bottom of the deck again I'm having Nine of Pentacles. Because why there is take a step back? Because maybe in the past this person promised you that they will going to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, but they were juggling a lot to give you balance here, and they broke your heart maybe. Okay, they put you in a third party situation. Three of Swords is here. That's why you need to keep your eyes open, Aquarius. Use your intuition and keep your eyes open. See the picture from a different perspective. You need to take a step back and think twice, because this person is juggling a lot. Can you see? They are unable to make a decision here. They are unable to bring a balance here, basically. Now they are asking that they are going to give you equal amount of give and take. So ask your intuitions whether you can trust this person or not. And they put you in a third party situation every time. Maybe in the past 1616 was the recording reading time. Okay, maybe this person put you in a third party situation, or they broke your heart many times here. This is the card of heartbreak, heartaches. That's why you went into a hermit mode. Okay, that's why you are single here, because they were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation. But they promised, this person is someone who is financially stable, grounded, or they know how to manage his finances here. They may be trying to give you that I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take, but because of this energy, they are saying that you need to take a step back and analyze the whole situation and then take the decision for yourself, Aquarius. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see what are the messages from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck for my Aquarius. Complacency. Okay, what are the messages? Expansion is coming for you. There is a spiritual growth which is coming for you, Aquarius. That is for sure. What are the messages which I need to give? Enlightenment. Beautiful. Let me read it out for you from this book. This card says complacency. Okay, this card says that life force energy must be taken seriously. Are you standing tall in your own dreams or trying to build on someone else? Sadness and inability to dissociate from a lost dream can show up here. It is a time to walk away from anything that does not deeply resonate with you. Release and be free. Okay, so maybe there is someone who is coming towards you, Aquarius, who wants to say that now I'm going to give you everything. Okay, but maybe there is a dream which is lost, okay, here, and you need to find yourself, self nourishment, and you need to think that you may be holding back, and this is a time for deep rest. You're feeling depleted because of this person, but do not worry, because of whatever situation was happened in the past. This is a past energy. Here I'm having the expansion and enlightenment. You're getting your enlightenment, you're getting your expansion, growth here. So you just need to let go on anything on which you are holding on. Okay, you're still holding on to something which you need to get release. Let them go. Release this energy as soon as possible, because expansion and enlightenment both are here. Okay, beautiful energies are here for you, Aquarius. You're getting your spiritual enlightenment and expansion. Spiritual growth is coming. You're becoming more more beautiful than before, getting into your power. That's the message here I'm getting for you. Beautiful. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Help me out to deliver the messages. This is someone who always promises you to give beautiful things, okay, but they never provide you. There is always an imbalance. I'm getting imbalance, but now they're coming with again with us saying that sorry Aquarius, now I'm going to give you a balance. So don't, see the picture from a different perspective, Aquarius. I'm saying again this thing, okay. The 3 cards I got for you, and the first card is Anjana. Let me read it out from the book. Third eye chakra. See, I told you, you're getting more intuitive than before. You're getting enlightenment. You're getting your spiritual growth. You're getting your spiritual awakening. Awakening is going on for you. Your third eye activation is happening here. Now you can use your sixth sense, okay, your intuition, your powerhouse, your third eye, because it is guiding you in a right direction. Your third eye sees far beyond your 2 eyes and the limitations of your mind, which only can dream up what is unknown. Your intuition speaks to you in whispers, in vision, in feelings. Find the language of your third eye and continue to follow its hunches as you have been. The more you become aware of it, the easier this dialogue becomes. Okay, trust your intuition and keep moving forward. The path will continue to illuminate as you take steps. So beautiful message. I told you before this card comes that you need to use your intuition, because your intuition is trying to give you beautiful things, Aquarius. They are helping you out basically. So you need to trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, trust your intuition. Your intuition will guide you properly. Wow, this is heart chakra. Your third eye is getting activated, Ananta. This is heart chakra which is getting open. So your heart is open. It chambers to a new possibilities. The light is coming through its dark corners. This love heals all and allows you to see all people for its greatest potential, including yourself. By putting down your armor, you are now truly able to use the intelligence of your heart, which will always guide you in a right direction. Trust the journey of heart. It may be not always make sense to the mind, but it is aware of the possibilities the mind cannot yet envision. When you truly live in a heart-centered life, there is nothing left to fear. Meditate on the color green and practice heart-opening yoga poses to aid the journey. So some of you Aquarius, your third eye is getting activated and your heart chakra is getting activated. Okay, now they are giving you beautiful messages. They are guiding you. Now you are opening up and you are becoming more inner wisdom. Your inner wisdom and intellectual power is getting more powerful than before. Basically your intuitions are guiding you properly. Then there is buddhi. Wise one, you are now remembering what you are born with. All the answers that you are seeking, you have realized life is not about learning, but rather relearning. Letting go of the illusions so we can remember our innate solutions. You have silenced the chattering of the mind to allow the whispers of the soul to speak. And now beginning to truly read the vast test book that exists inside you. This is a time to rewrite your story, authored by the great wisdom of your soul, Buddhi. As I told you, you are becoming more wise than before, Aquarius. Okay, your heart chakra is getting open, your third eye is getting activated. Now you're becoming more beautiful soul than before. Okay, you are always beautiful soul, but now you are able to find your true self. That's the message I am getting here. So this was the message from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Activation Oracle deck. Belief. One more. Give me one more. Compassion. Okay. So belief and compassion is here. You need to believe on the divine, believe on the universe, believe on yourself that everything is happening according to the divine planning and to for the benefit of you. Okay, better and best things are coming for you, Aquarius. You need to believe in this. Okay, and there is compassion. Have compassion for everyone. The frequency of belief supports our sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to the source. That's right. When you start believing on the divine, that divine is with you and everything is working for your betterment, things will change accordingly, Aquarius. So you need to keep your belief on the divine, okay? The divine is with you, you are not alone, and everything is in your favor. Then there is compassion. The frequency of compassion supports our ability to stand by others without judgment and be the divine mediator between heaven and earth, spirit and matter, so that unconditional love can flow from the source through our heart into the world. So that's the message here I'm getting. Compassion and the belief. Beautiful messages I got for you today. So this was your reading for Feb 2021, and in the extended I'm going to take these energies. So there is someone who is coming towards you, Aquarius. They find you the wish fulfillment of their life. Okay, keep your strength, see the picture from a different perspective. Okay, and if anything on which you are holding on so tight, you need to release that energy as soon as possible. And in the extended I'm going to take this card in a deeper level so that I can get more information about these energies, and I will let you know in the extended reading. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and energy to every single Aquarius who are there everywhere in the world. Okay, anywhere, everywhere in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.